It's Don here from the board. Thank you for coming along and checking out another one of our videos. So in this video, I'm actually going to be doing the Movember Keycap draw. I've already said thank you to everybody, but of course it doesn't hurt to say thank you again. So thank you to everybody who's been involved in donating and supporting my Movember campaign for 2017. We've managed to raise an amazing $610, which is better than none. So, hey, settle down. Now, I've actually got 17 keycaps, but I've only got 13 people to give them away, which means I'm not even going to bother with the random draw as such for those who will get the keycaps, but instead I'm going to be doing a random draw of which keycap you're going to get. So, to help with what I've done is I've got my little whiteboard paper thingy-madoobie, and I've written the first name of those who are being involved, and over here I've actually got the keycaps, and I'm going to put them inside this sleeve and I'm going to draw them blind, and then I'll just lay them out so you can see who got what. And yeah, for those who are after a particular colorway or something like that, then you know potentially it's out there and who's going to be hunting for it. Of course, if it's one of the ones that are left over that I have, well, I suppose you can always contact me to see what can be done about it. Now, for those who are actually going to be going to the Sydney meetup tomorrow, I've actually already sent out an email about it. So if you're going to be there, I will actually be able to bring it and save a bit of postage and time waiting for those who are actually going to be there tomorrow. So the keycaps are in here at the moment, and let's just give them a bit of a mix around and start drawing them out. You're so fascinated, aren't you? Because they're actually making noise. So the first keycap coming out for Haru is, there we go, a blue and purple. Now Yoris, the king of orange, will luck befall you today. And no, you've got fluoro green. Christopher, what are we going to get for Christopher? We've got the red. For Andrew, we have green and black. Jonathan, out comes the Canadian. There we go. For Jumayo, we've got center white, outside blue. Gareth, oh, we've got the sibling of the first one from Haru. For Renan, it's the clear one. I think there was only one clear one this year, so that's relatively good. A little bit different. Oh, and Sam gets the orange. So Yoris, maybe you'll have to do a deal with Sam if you can figure out who Sam is. We've got the tricolor here for William. We got the sibling for Christopher's there with Josh. Not too many left in the bag. We've got blue and white for Ranil. And last but not least, you're not allowed to touch them. We've got the white, turquoise, and purple for Taylor. There you go. So that's all of the people who have eligible caps. They will get to you as soon as I get your addresses. And of course, if you are coming to the Sydney meetup, you will have got them by then, because I'm not actually going to release this video until the 2nd. Only because I said I would draw them on the 2nd, but you know what? I did whatever I felt like doing. So thank you, of course, for getting involved. If you would like to get a... Hey, I said you can't touch them. If you'd like to get involved next year, hopefully I'll be able to have the time and patience, especially with this little one getting a bit older and probably a bit more of a handful, to make a new design for Movember and to custom. And yeah, it's a great little piece of memorabilia, very unique and very, very limited. So thank you for checking out the video. Of course, would love and appreciate if you hit like, if you share the video or any of our other videos on this YouTube channel, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Rightio. So, until next time, happy clacking.